We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. All right, now I want to see how we can look for trade, and now we're looking at this correction. We want to see whether we can put this one relative to this move as a correction, and can we expect for? I mean, can we look for buy or not? Okay, first of all, we refer to daily chart, and as we can see, based on daily chart, we get this sharp move. If we need to look, if we want to get the continuation, we need to get the correction here. But right now, we want to see whether this is the one is going to give us a correction or is the start of the down move, because we want to see whether it's also we need to know about this possibility. Can this one turn to flat for one more drop? Okay, that's why if we want to look for buy, we have to get the correction. All right, in this case, we move to forward chart. We want to see what we have based on forward chart. As I mentioned, we are looking for this correction to look for buy, but we need to get the trade set up. As I mentioned, how about if we put this two in relative to each other as a flat? And as we can see here, we get the correction, then suddenly the price sharply drop. Can we expect? All right. That's why right now we want to see how we can get the correction, how we can get the confirmation for continuation. And in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. All right. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, for me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer this one continue and at least break this low. Then from there, we can put this internally, we can look for this flat. Then any reversal from there will the sharp move as a flag, we can look for buy or we can have entry above this after the breakout of this low. How about if this one reverse from here? If this one reverse as a corrective move, we are not going to trade it. The only way we can look for trade, if we get a sharp move flag, then we can consider whether we should look for buy or not. And even we don't need to wait for the flag, we wait for the bigger correction. Okay, anyway, we're looking for this correction. We want to see whether we can get any trade setup or not. And right now we don't have any trade setup. And even if we put this one, maybe put in this way. Okay. The first things is the best things is, as I mentioned, we get this one give us one more drop with the breakout of this. Any reversal, we take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.